This is cabin 6180. This is a balcony partial view. This is actually our cabin, everybody. So welcome to our cabin. As you come in, the door there's Lisa. This is a connecting room, so if you need a connecting room, this might be a good one. Here are your closets. They're pretty deep. As you see, we've got our luggage already stored in there. There's robes, there's plenty of hanging. These bars pull down so you can have more hanging if you want, and then maybe put your luggage on top if you wanted to do that. If I spin around, we have a nice sofa here that can convert to a bed. There's drawers underneath, and we also have the coffee table that does move around. Across from this is our little desk area. This is the only place that has power in the entire cabin. 2 US, 1 European. No USB on the ship. They've not made that conversion. There is a mini fridge down here. And safe, 3 drawers, and a TV. A little on the small side, but it's not too bad. Then we have our king-size bed down here at this end. And it's in its king configuration, but it can be 2 twins. They can separate. If you do that, then the nightstands that you see, one there, end up in the middle. And there's also some storage above the bed. There is no additional USB and or power by the bed. Literally the only place is right over there. But as I said, this is a partial view balcony. Let's go take a look. Now the balcony itself, by the way, guys, actually is really big. Most of the balconies on this ship are about this size. So some of the more generous balconies for a regular balcony cabin. But as you see, that's what we have to look at the entire time. Not a lot of amazing views out here, but I mean, it's not bad. I mean, this doesn't bother me. I don't think I'd want to go to Alaska on this ship, but I mean, I can see stuff just fine. It's not like there's a complete wall in front. Lisa and I usually like to look down, and of course we're not going to get to see that, but that's okay. We get our balcony, we can sit out there and listen to the water rushing by. Let's go take a look at that bathroom. Oh yeah, see, I'm going to love this bathroom. Toilet is in a great place for someone my size. In fact, I'll climb on here. We'll let Lisa hold this so you can see. This is definitely enough leg room for anybody. And of course, the width is pretty good too. And so not bad for someone who's tall and or fluffy. Nice vessel sink, extra countertop. You've got the storage. You've got cubbies. There's power up top there. Nice big mirror. And to be honest, my favorite part is the shower, guys. This is sort of an elongated shower. So, you see plenty of room. I don't feel like normal corner showers are so tight. This is not tight. You've got your soap, shampoo, and body wash in here as well. And of course, you have a glass door. There is our cabin. Again, it is a veranda partial view. It's a balcony, but they call it veranda. So let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!